Hello, my name is James. It is with great honor and heartfelt gratitude that I bring you this video. It was created from Neville Goddards' book, written in 1949. Out of This World. Prologue. The world around us is a wondrous place, but sometimes it can be hard to navigate and enjoy life for what it is. Neville Goddard offers a new perspective on life in his book, Out of This World. Through his teachings, we can re-envision our lives and create a vibrant future for ourselves. By deeply exploring our imagination and the power of our subconscious, we can make this world truly out of this world. This book will take you on a journey of exploration and discovery, where you will learn the tools and skills to take control of your life and manifest your dreams. Chapter 1: Unlocking the Power of Imagination. Esoteric teachings and philosophies have long suggested that imagination is both a portal to and a bridge between our worldly environment and the subconscious mind. Neville Goddards' teachings likewise focus on the power of imagination, which he believes is a divinely endowed gift that we have all been given. He emphasizes that, in order to use this gift correctly, it is vital to understand that both our conscious and subconscious minds play a significant role in our lives. Through imagination, we can create a bridge between the two, allowing us to access the power of the subconscious mind to manifest our desires. We must also remember that what we visualize in our imagination is not merely a product of our creative faculties, but rather the result of our subconscious beliefs and knowledge. By taking control of the images that we populate our minds with, we can ensure that these beliefs and knowledge align with our conscious desires, setting us on the path to achieving whatever we wish. Chapter 2: Becoming the Master of Your Mind. As a master of self, we can re-envision our lives and make conscious decisions about what we want to achieve. To do this, we must recognize that we are the sole authors of our reality, and that our innermost thoughts will be reflected in our external reality. Neville Goddard suggests that we focus on the idea that the only limitations that exist are within our minds. This means that anything is possible once we recognize our own self-empowerment and utilize the power of our minds to manifest our desired reality. Therefore, it is important to take the time to reflect upon our thoughts and beliefs, so that we can properly align them with our conscious desires. We must remember to fill our minds with meaningful and powerful images that will assist us in manifesting our desired reality. As we become more mindful of our thoughts and beliefs, we can learn to master our minds and create whatever world we wish to live in. Chapter 3: Reaching Out to Make Contact. There is another way to manifest our desires. Neville Goddard suggests that we can reach out to the universe to make contact with the higher power that resides within us all. This higher power can assist us in manifesting our desires, and the only thing we must do is ask for help. Goddard believes that the higher power can be contacted through the process of deep meditation, wherein we may be able to reach a place of complete stillness and peace. In these moments, we can make contact with the higher power, and it is then up to us to interpret the messages that this power sends to us. Through visualization and deep contemplation, we can open ourselves up to the higher power and begin the journey to manifesting our dreams. Chapter 4: The Power of Intuition. Finally, Neville Goddard offers advice about the power of intuition. He believes that intuition is a gift given to us by the higher power, which allows us to know things that our conscious minds are unable to process. We must also remember that our subconscious minds are constantly working to interpret these intuitive messages, and we must trust that our subconscious minds will guide us in the right direction. By using our intuition, we can tap into the higher power that is hidden within our subconscious minds, and then use this power to manifest our desired reality. Through deep contemplation and focus, we can summon the wisdom that the higher power has given us, and then use it to create a more vibrant and positive future. Conclusion: we are far more powerful than we ever imagined, and Neville Goddard's teachings help us to realize this truth. By understanding the power of imagination, mastering our minds, reaching out to the higher power, and utilizing our intuition, we can create a world that is truly out of this world. We can manifest our desires and turn our dreams into reality. All we must do is believe in the power of our minds and believe that anything is possible. That was great. On YouTube, Dr. Joe Dispenza has a few free guided meditations that will help us contact that higher power within. If you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. Thank you for watching.